Hey guys, working on a 2007 Honda Odyssey. The battery was draining out. Looks like we found the drain. Not really a common problem I always have on these cars. This is very rare. The starter silinoid, starter wire is actually getting positive voltage through the silinoid itself. So the silinoid shorted out, and it's backtracking 12 volts back to the starter wire, ignition wire. I also took off the starter relay, and I'm checking the wire. I'm getting voltage to it. I said, wait, let me disconnect the starter wire, the ignition wire coming down to the solenoid. Took it out, voltage cut out, so there's voltage backtracking from the starter solenoid itself. That's another no crank, no start